bɔne a ɛkɔ so wɔ ɔman yi mu nyinaa bɔne akɛse a ɛkɔ so wɔ ɔman yi mu no wobɛkom no na mpanimfoɔ bi ahyehyɛ akyire ɔnsɛ sɛ woyɛ biribi na sɛ panin bi ahyɛ w'akyi a ɛma wonya ahoɔden ɛde yɛ because unim se nipa na ɔtaa w'akyi no onye nipa bi akɛkɛ
dabi
nipa na ɔtaa w'akyi no unim se sɛ yɛkyew ɛkɔ baabia nipa no ɛbɛka ama yɛyiw
mema mo nyina akwa ba ɔman morning so ɛna nei mo ani kusa mo hwei na abusia yɛtena nsɛm no ɛso die sɛ di ana kyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wo mɔde pa na wɔn waso na wotimi etibie update na ɛna yegusua ɛde abrɛw ɛfa ɛyɛ abrantewa wɔte ɛyɛ Abesim Alaska ya wokɔde nyambransɛm awuru kasɛm twitwa nipa nam kum wɔm twitwa de hyɛ fridge mo na abusia ɛnɛ update ayɛ sabeto apaso na kyerɛ sɛ yɛ kan yɛ hwehwɛ mu pan yɛ di ana kyerɛ sɛ timamufo a wɔn hɔ kyerɛ sɛ abrantewa no krampo sɛ na yɛ big men ɛba ne fie bɛ paake cars akɛseɛ ɛwɔ hɔ na wɔn adwen ama so ɛnɛ ensɛm yi tabirim akokopie mu ɛwɔ Carnation District Court ahye wɔn ama no remand sɛ nyame ɛyɛ aduma on the 15th of September ɛbɔbosome da ɛtɔso ɛyɛ edunum ɛna wɔn san ɛmɛgyina asenibia na yɛni na asɛm no na abusia deɛ ɛte akoma na ɛyɛ yɛm hyehyɛ kora ɛwɔ mu sɛ aposifoɔ ɛbɔ wura ne fie no wɔn yɛ nhwehwɛmu toto nano no nneɛma kakra a wɔn nya yɛ kyerɛ ana ne fie nhwehwɛmu a wɔn atimi ayɛ ɛwɔ ne fie hɔ deɛ na wɔn nya sikapudu a ɛsombo ɛyɛ 7,950 yɛ no deɛ na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ cash ɛna afei so check of 10,000 Ghana cedis ɛno so awura bi ɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ Mariam edin ɛna da so nhwehwɛmu na aposifoɔ enya nwie wɔn so wɔn wie a wɔn de wɔn ano deɛ nsɛm nyinaa ba bɛto dwa na deɛ yɛn nsa kan ma yɛn ni hu abobo ne yɛn biebie mu ayie aloyɛtefoɔ nso deɛ me ne wo kasa yi wo bia adwane sɛ wɔn antimi enni saa ansɛm wɔ yi gyebra ma me ba bɛsia
I be some company. They're dealers in all type of tires. Caterpillar tires, truck tires, private cars, that's 4-wheel tires, and saloon cars. The tires are very valid. If you Bremen, Germany, and a bar, they're fair rate, and Umra method time, move on to be some company. The best.
Yeah, me kwaya amasan ababie mu sɛ dem din kan kan kyerɛ wo no. Matena nsɛm no so amanage Brown ɛne wɔfa ɛna kyerɛ sɛ yebe bobo sansɛm wo hu. Sɛ nka yehu yɛn nkɔman gana mu wo bi ɛyɛ adebɔne kora ne nka lawyers deɛ wo mu betimi anya bi. Nanso na yikopie mu wɔ Carnation District Court deɛ ne lawyerfoɔ no nyinaa wo bi agye ha wo bi ase wonni sɛ nyambransɛm yi akyi ɛna kyerɛ sɛ ne ho so aba asɛm. Gibra na manage Brown ɛne wɔfa adwetwe nkɔmɔ. Abiyafo mama kwaba.
Yeah, no.
And Yama we find it. Yada janasi. J Brown, Mammy share Gomono asimfri so ye share and yam bransama ya call suya. Abranti way big men, it's me visiting no ewo ni fie, and ya dear, and the name no yabe PM or Carnation District Court. Quarter for Asha say 15th September and a young finance in Libya. Now, a lawyer for the Wakukra will be ajiha. Okay, on there.
My charge for now, yeah, Domas is there, Mushe or my channel. So, your bonfire said, you almost hear be a young bed.
Very well.
I think that since I issue we buy, there has been speculations in your baby. Kuyi, Emma, a citizen, and we are bad time, and I bear my time now with Sanya.
We any pa moja ni hu Mupadia.
One gasa, you think that I didn't film and a reality, but here we are, Siciano, we came to understand a reality, idea, a year then, and God willing, so say, if you are still in doubt, a higher Carnation idea, and you want me out, Kona, Cokovana, Mafo, a year, Ukraine, and our reality. Issue way by, I was saying, now I was feeling distasteful because anger be woman because wako ye crime now you see kasa now see unkasa. What kind of nonsense is that? And now I'm for boyfriend said so unkasa then we have to deal with you. But you know, as we are not professionals, we can sit back and then say whatever we want.
Sure. But
Omo we are professionals, they will do whatever it is to get the information.
Exactly.
One says say a lot of information about. Sure. If I say aka time now was see on kasa no na you forcing no na we are we going to get all this information?
No, never.
No, we are not going to get all those information because nyama and whatever the guy is doing, a dangerous thing. Oh Nepa, look at this innocent guy. Na kum obi ba 12 years na enye baako. We kwa na ehu, we kwa na ehu ba e bia previous nyama bia 1 year na ye nim krabo no e bia eno so be ye. Enti it's good say he started talking to the sense say we've seen the intestine where he used to bury the intestine in Yamano. I think say that's a good start. And as they say also they went into the phones in the way they were able to find some things. And I will continue to say human parts are very expensive.
Yeah,
so when you are dealing with you know, you're gonna say those kind of people no and yeah amafo kitiwa keke na or they deal in those influential people who need power, people who are politicians, people who have crowd, they deal in that. So as I say and you be akeke na them and the nyame say they were saying say yeah once in the blue moon na car kesiye abani once in the blue moon na cars abani na big men abani but transactive business but still yet people didn't realize that oh okay this is what the guy is doing because yeah Ghanaians yeah can say because obia e mine in the business so if something why is she now pesca now obi car ba now obeye wabetina car na you don't know what they are doing what is your business and the banner say ebia because of your nature no if things are not going well you will not even know. I just say ebia aji boom say before you get to know that oh so this is what this guy is into. I don't say people say they are amazed because you can say guy no tisa they never so I think somebody did buy a radio station or calling your they came here, they followed the issue. They are still in shock. Most of them are still in shock. And they are covering this in live to a station for the people to know what is going down. And say, when you look at the tendency of a case, a big case,
very big
it is a lawyer, na ebia uwo ba na ukwa defendi obi wakum you can say uwo ba be 5-12 years anyway. Look at the suffering. Wakom school out in the school fees are which here.
Yari hospitals are koni aba.
Obi abekum no na onu or ton. And yes a goat ana a can say
Nanchia
nyame ama ye hu kwan say ye ko ba nipa na obi anyim wa hwe ne ba saa that stage na wo wabekum no na we twitwa na wuton ema amanfo na as a lawyer in your right sense you have blood flowing through you now say who could defend that person I don't think that even Nyamekra will not be happy with you. The anger of God will come upon you. And say Nyame say all those people are you can say running away from him Nyama. When you have been that way, you know, if you are now on Niska and people amafo on be supporting no on be high lawyer man on Ninyama they will know say and they know say case we enkosi aga it is enkosi aga what or why should we do this thing should we waste money and then go and hire lawyer for we it's about state no the state no ebema o you can say lawyer and the state lawyer and also or always say no this thing goes according to goes against my human way now and I mean principles ni nyama because first of all no benya hwe ewo second so on him say dia o here no and yet why should he come and then defend you so as I said enyam nwanwa kra and I think say that's the right thing they've done but in every obi bia obeko court and say onya lawyer no matter what meaning say obi be devote ni hu say obegina oba enye say or devote ni hu in the name say oko defending no but just say guy need hear lawyer keke so that they will be hearing because if there is no lawyer they can prosecute the guy.
Oh, okay.
So that
they no sana na ono no be fa na state ni say na wodi nkan kan.
And na me can say on to me fat lawyer state no will give you lawyer and the lawyer will just represent you.
Okay.
Say and I say
but on come out
say yeah the so boni bowa no be say are you guilty or not explain it you wa catch your lawyer na lawyer catch you it is a bia onu odwen ho na won say no this and this ekoso anye no na ebia obetimi aka bia ma but say case na yet no if that is how it's going to be me sure say obetimi aka bia ma so as I say unfortunate though and the lawyers no they are running away from a kind of a guy no but at long last no he still need a lawyer. And no matter what sisi ano omu or they are postponing the case in Yamano as a omu ye wa na omu nya lawyer manu so that whatever it is no they will deal with the case now we will get a judgment by probably within a shortest possible time.
Abusia na ensem no bi na wate e de fridge brown ho no ye hwe de ekoso ewo eya brante wa within ya medin kan e kan ye we within pa se wo betimi atwitwa nipa nam wo ku no awie atwitwa no na moja na ewo ho no wakohye ntare no se wabodam se ne wo hene ene nananom e kan na face wo wi a wasanso invite big men se wo moma wase ye san se nam no bi hye fridge mo enam no anipa akwa ne bi no hye fridge mo wie nsusu anenso na ade ne de wakope wo dan chi kokko ase bi atu nkofie e de ahyemu se no de wo mpe ha nyame hu yemobọ na woncheche eye mmatan yi ewure na de achi na mensanko ofa ho na menkwaje na dwenkyere emfa nsem ofa ensem ye ba ye aposifo nhwehwemu a wo eye ne dem ho ankasa ne de wo kọ ho no de abeto dwane se aposifo enya eye sika esombo 7,950 enu ye cash ena 10,000 Ghana cedi no ye check ewura bi edin ena da so fa nsem yi kan bi to efo aso
check ya dia bre no ana
check na da ho ewura bi din na da so
okay
ena sana nsem no te so asin ewura no na
ono na issue check na ma ewura no
say once ewura no din na da so no de na che say we may not know now yentimi enkamu ye but edin ya da so no eye Mariam so asin edin no asin nipa din na wono de nsa etron ye announce say check na nkasa ye Mariam no de emetodwa
okay you want him am say medawati na ya chia ahwefo na ya kase onyakopo twija mpon yira obi biara ye hwe apia issue na on say ensem bebre na ewa achi because na ye kase sene issue no esitie no enye ade a ono ko abetumi edise
nyambra
disa adwuma no da so ade anka nipa bi na nipa ba ko bi na bi a wakokuno atumwura mbaabi ana wakuno atu baabi a eno de wutimu se bi a nipa ba ko no betumi aye but se wotumi akokum nipa miensa maybe obi be ka se wankum wo mo at the same time fine but wotumi atwitwa nam no e de abehye fridge mu ni ade no wotumi se eye plantain eye plantain ade a woni nkrofuko bi atena se plane se yenye se eye sana issue no eti because nipa no enam na watwatwa ahye fridge mu no obi ana wode ekoma na to so enya de a me kanya de se ade a okokum obi atugura mu ana ka wagya ho abade a ho no ka obeka se bia o ebi a wakokum ono nko akokum nipa na tuura mu keke
okay
but once a ya o store nam no ene o store nipa nam no ni ade ne de eso hu se woni nkrofuku bi ana edi sa adwuma no nti na ye ka se esese omu en torture se de be ya obetumi akasa because ensem bebre e wona no a esese otumi epa mu ka emma ye di ye tu ye ansa na asotwen na esese ye twen no abatumi aba anana ye ka se wo na wo ka onkasa wa ye se emu ba se ye de nyame ase se upon the security for no year no nyina won kasa se de why na gbe se obe kasa no che se ye hwe CID for no mai omo eguso ye adwuma esombo omo ye adwuma sonko ndi ye hwe IGP eba ye ya asem we ene asem kese pa am se astati
ewo ne
so enu ndi me ye sure se enya dia odi asem we ebe diagro bia so a obe faso ama yedi yie atu yie ama omumo eka ho ensa aso omumo no minim se IGP ebetu ebe ye because Ghana nyina ni biase nyina ani ewo sansem we so a obia ehwe ne asem no ebekọ akosi enu ndi no sika na yakoto wo ne dem no enye nwanwa se obia odi nam nipa nam gu ni fridge mu si no obekọ na obeka se wunya sika bia
won ho
enti enye nwanwa check no so enye nwanwa
say ade a woton nam no
yes na ohima egu adin mu no ade na ode ye owon krofo a onu mu edidwa no enu nti wa start se okasa no eye ye bompa ye se bibi ebe pushi no ama na tumi aka di won bia ama ehwehwemu no esiase ana sensi anso bra eni kwan se ye mankrofo eben no eni kwan se ye mo bia eben no na obia akokeka nsem aguna so se ni because the dream no be say ye chi enipa bi sei na se enkrofo nyakwai ewo ne ho a omu amanfo betimi asoma enkrofo akọ no ho akokeka nsem aguna so even yehwe yie se yemma woni police ni baako ana CID baako entna because bibia betumi asi esese IGP man ni ekọ asem hu pa se woni police fo ana CID fo be din sa wo so ni ade bia esese enye 2 ana 3 se de be ya nipa baako enkokeka nsem bi engu na som emma nadwene ennane enkokeka nsem bi ani kwa se okeka because edum no be na say ye chi enipa bi say ya they are na ehu ewo mpa ne say wan hwe yie na say enipa wo mu agye ginama wo mu wo akiri no nipa no betima akọbọ obidin nipa no enim ho hwe
innocent person
eno ti sankrofo ebe na o betima tutu agu na som se bia bo wedin say nipa we force say ye do betum eno ti bon ni bibidin ana bonidin se ye be ya ye di asem no ebe fore wono nso ama asem no on say the more hwehwe mu no ekọ animu no na asem na no edwo so ho eno ti ni nyina ya de ehia se CID for no eye se de be ya ye man nipa ba kom bi ni ade ne no enko hye kokko mu nko keka nsem bi ni ade because last time we share program bi ana mai bi na o interview enkrofo mu edu mako akọ jail
okay crime check no
o interview mai ba ko e ma mai no e ka se emze okokum nipa o village a wo mo no we village pa enu nti ye che no na o mu susu se obi e ka ho se de normally wo mu eye
no
ti wo mu ebo no ni ade panish no ni ade ana mai no se obo obidin mai no so wo next village obo ni di se one sa mai no ana ko di se adwuma no to obo mai ni di ne kwachi mai no mai ni yi nanu bia
so na nyampa
ana wa nya lawyer papa bia nso adwetwa anye no ama enam so ma ye jeli omu mienu nze jeli omu life enunti sa tama mai na okoye interview o crime check no ana eho na mai no a okum nipa na nkasa no ebu nkotodwe epa sa other man
we di more than 10 years and not 20 years
more years
my gracious what's
look at that
so ana opa na chaw se osere mfa ne bone nche no na nipa kum na okokum ye no man no atwi wo mu interview wo mu yenu ma okana num tom se ono nko ana ekodi sa bone no
nti die ne ba na adwuma mo yesa
se je na wo mo ye no ana man no kobo man ni di na man no enim ho hwe nti wonfa ne bone nche no
really
that time no man no aba akokora
look at that
what defame no
was it ne yire kura oja no ho no na damfo ana akọ fa ne yire no ne ma o mu nyina nim se wo wu because yɛde na kɔtum akyɛ wabakɔ enti no sɛ nsɛm bi sɛ esi na sɛ mumma enipa ho kwai ma wo mu ɛbɛn saa nipa na nipa baako bi ɔno nko a ɛkɔ ɛbɛn saa nipa na obetumi influence nipa na sum ama na kɔbɔ obi a maybe ɔhyɛ asɛm n'akyi a ɔbɔ ɔka gum sɛ yɛn jelly mine no anaasɛ yɛmfa no mfa mmara kwan so ɛne ade obetumi akɔbɔ nipa ne din a nipa no anim ho hwɛ nti saa no sɛ wanya lawyer bi a wɔyɛ good ama na twitwa anwewa na yɛde wɔn so okɔka
ho uzi kasɛm kra mpo nya wɔ fa sɛ na
yɛde okɔka
yɛde waka ho
situation bi sɛ no ɛni kwa sɛ yɛma CID ni baako police ni baako ɛne ade ɛne nipa no edi nsawoso very very important ɛsɛ yɛhwɛ ni yie ɛno nti no sɛsi a yɛhu sɛ sika bi ɛwɔ ne ho no yɛhia kra ne sɛ check a yasan hu na edin bi ɛwɔ so no yɛn kasa bi a saa Mariam no ɔne no ne di saa de no hu da ɛne bibi but ɛsɛ sɛ CID for ɛyɛ hwehwɛmu na wo mu ehunu Mariam no ɛhe na wɔte adwuma na wɔyɛ check na ɛwɔ hɔ no wɔn na de check no brɛ no anaasɛ nipa no na de check no ɛma Mariam no na sika no ɛyɛ di sika so bibi no wɔde tuaka anaasɛ sɛ ne nyina yɛ ade ama yɛ sure sɛ CID for no be ye hwehwemu ama asem nani ada ho na me de minim say still apia ensem bebre ewo nanum a wo mo edefe no ene ade a minim say CID for no de say wo nim de wo be ya bia nipa no ebetumi akasa
okay
obe kasa akansa ma bia nipa wo mo ekeka ho no nyina na ebetumi anya wo because ebi kura ye kasa na nya apia na ankasa na ekum nipa no
okay
ebia na omu ekum nipa no no na
yeah business
one na stock
yes ni ho no obetimi a stock
okay
ana ebia yesi abofra woni nabusuafo ye fan a omu ekum abofra no so no ebia apia no e wa access to sa emofra no ebia wadada abofra no de omu kɔ na ye wo bia awudifo a mo hyeda ekum nkrofo na ankasa enu nti wo chi apia na wantutu na no ye ni ade ama no ankasa nipa na okum nipa ne de oda so e wo ho do ya chi apia de enso wa hwe ya nipa ne besa akɔ hyempotamu ba bi kura
na wasan so di dwuma ne biem nipa bonfo
so ne Nigeria fo a sebe awudifo a enu omuti ana edi sa dwuma no sesei obi enim because ye nim se Nigeria fo bebre di ewu wɔ Nigeria ho dwane e be hye Ghana ha obi di ewu e wɔ ho dwane be hye Ghana e de na Ghana no obeye so enu ti no ade a esese still ehwehwemu etumi ekoso se je be ya omo ehye kire ni ade nyina no ye betumi ehunu ana on se yesi cars nso ebe package
enokre
ewo eho ade
yeah
eno nso ade esese ye nhwe na Ghana ha no ana ase ye de nsem bebre edi agro dwuma bi a ye ndwene bone ema obi dwuma bi a se ne wo akua wote ho a wadwene mu fan no dwuma bi a sa na wodwene ma obi a enti dwuma bi na se uhunu ade bi sa ewo ba bi a wadwene ema so se ebi a oba dwene bone ama nipa no ama bi a wadwene se bi na ayi apia yi heden na tem bia no ka posh eba ne ho ene ade ede nsa wo so no ne sankrofui ewo ede ne wo ne sankrofui entem ene ade so enka ade anka ya dwene sa na se obi suspect sa ke bia cars de ko eba no betima teki cars ne bi number ede ama CID for
exactly
ama CID for to me aye ehwehwemu sa bere kura ya chi nka CID for betimi aye ehwehwemu ama omu ehunu ekwaya nkrofo no die nti na nkrofo no eba ho edie nkita ho ana omu ne no ewo edie na omu ba ho a omu eye ene ade nti sa hwehwemu no ekwa animu na no enema bebre betumi ada edi but still no esese CID for no omu wo nwuma bebre eya me fi se omu koso ya ehwehemu bebre betumi ada edi ana na ye ka se kromu ohene nso defend no ese wabod na gene
enye ohene ne pempo ofa nipa ahemfo no nananom nkonwa tena because nananom statement o man wo se onne na ahemfo no mu hu ni se abrantie no wabodam nti aposifo wo mo fa ne nko psychiatric
so eno so ade a eni kwan se ye ne se we ye krom ho hene enu nti se ye esese enu so no ye investigation kase pa because sa dwana abrante no edi no woni atitirufo ana wo hwe a wo mu edi dwa no
okay
boni a ekoso wo oman yi mu nyina boni akase a ekoso wo oman yi mu no wo be kom no na mpanimfo bi ehihye kire on se wo ye bibi na se pani bi ehye wachi a e ma onya hoden
yodium
ediye because unim se nipa na ota wachi no onye nipa bi akeke
dabi
nipa na ota wachi no unim se ye chew ekoba bia nipa no ebe ka ama ye yiwu so for example say bia o ye niema bia enye a eye crime na say eye ade bia eye nuboni hu dwane ade na say bia for example say bia obi wo omanpanini akachi pani bi ewo ho ana bia wo ni pani no eye fine na pani na push you say ya ufi say ubesuro unsuro because unim say pani no di bia owo no enya ade say ye chiwu na pani ne ka say obam ye yiwa ye ntumi eyi ana say police pani ni bi eta wachi na wo ye bibia usuro
of I say ye kwa ye ma ye tete wo mu ana say school mu ana ba bia mu institution bia mu say teacher ni ana say pani pa wo mu eta wachi a what grow wings so there's nothing that we be can
aduma mu say sanity say director no ene worker bi twempena wo aduma mu a
exactly
you who behavior enipa no
exactly
ya dia niema bonni e koso no bebre wo ho a mpanimfo bi eta akire so enu ti na ma omutumi nya ahoden ade etumi eye niema bi a enya sese omu eye no ana bi ho so a na ewo nipa bonni nya nkasa omu atire ni abin omu ho a omu so edi omu ni atu edura omu edi no so
edi so
etumi nam so eye bonni di bonni ni ade omu se edura na wadi no
enya dia obi ani ho betumi
no so enu ti no ade sese hwehwemu dodo na ekoso na yehunu se de asem no emu eti ankasa na omu ehihye akire nyina ne ade no ebi kura na ye betumi akohunu obi a oye dangerous kura sene apia no so hwehwemu ni betumi obi a oye dangerous abi kura mpo a eno so no na bia ebi kura nso egu ba bia ye nim because na no se kwakwa nan ebe kan se no na asem na ijadu me bia untimi anyi ni bi so obeka se machine a grande nipa yi ewo so ele na no me je me fama dwene
enkoso
because we was information we are indi kwa se public na we dey ebeto
of say ne mpani se me bia sidawo ewo krom ho a ye kodwitwa obi ni ade ma me bia so kodwitwa ne kun ni ade nti
okay ebi asida bet kokwa na dia a okana na make say
okay
se kesa information we no say we dey message ade for secret no mo koje investigation
okay
because what can't come from mum say no enipa no wo bibi sa akura e wo ho a
obefa dwane
ana say nipa ne be dwane ana say obetutu machines na fi wo kura wo ko ho a unhunu
hwe no de akosi bebi fufo na odi ewu ho amanfo ma
tina times kwa nan ansem na wo de betu dwa no ada say eye no kre ana bia nkrofo no nya information na wo mu e correct no mistakes ana say ebia wo can't come from keke obi nim
ofa me dase mesen aba so biom J Brown ensem bi ba me ya na me di akire bi anso me tai kan comment wo ko social media de ne comment ahodo me tai kan pa na ebi mu kire se ya share pass wo man gane mu ase se hwehwemu ba ne ya se MPs ahodo 9 eka ho a ye betiam bo mudin
we have been in this case before a situation like this before say issues bana big men bema obeye obanwa no maye no kokwasa by the end of the day no enko see aga this very case no say ebia MPs ni whatever comes in let me tell you they can't no obetimi machine din no ema investigators ni ebia magistrate no but trust me they are not going to bring it out
the magistrates
public
wow.
Are you trying to tell me say let's take it for instance we banner see majority leader eka minority leader eka vice president kan wa
ya ba be kan
just we na do you think say the magistrates will have that audacity to come na wa be kan say asem no enya dey abe de ebe
and you think mu ya dance na government
I think say I don't know this guy now you see 30 don whatever say we mention various names both NDC MPP ni nyama what happened to them nothing happened so as they are even say like how these people started all this say he is sick and na dream ejuma oh and they will blast all whatever off they will brush it off because oh we na dream ejuma and na on here do you know say lawyer be so ebaye can say they say he's sorry for Ghanaians but how Ghanaians want the guy to be crucified now how they want the guy to be killed because Akumo BNT they should give him a death penalty and not death sentence or see mbegu say ya hwe ya prison guy fa ni ko because lawyer or see because you see guy no anyway na dwin ejuma so but I'm glad say you can say omo na call court and at first we know I don't think say because because there was no lawyer no we didn't get to delve into all those issues but say we nya lawyer that is when Obeka say oh my client say let's go to a psychiatric hospital now you go check he say no clear when say no clear yeah obviously yeah mfa go prison because odi obi ko want to me fa abodamni go to prison maybe a psychiatric
oh my god
yeah or no psychiatric for grab there some did that thing now Akumo obi ba be 3-4 now ono ekwa akodi there obetimi hu na ye ka say ebia say influential people bika ewoma or do psychiatric honuma na ye ka say oh ni situation no emu edru eti ye fa no kwa abroche na ye eti ida say hono no na ya pe different name different passport nyama bi man na or status or live different life enye sa apoa na ebia oh ye jaga we aba be boy edin ni ama ye din ko na ye ka say oh wewu so it involves a whole lot of things. When it comes to Africa, when you are part of a political party and now you are an influential person, forget what's in bar. Yeah, say 1 2 1 2 1 2. And now they pretend they prepared our mind to not to question the riches and now be our influencer or can't say be an assembly bar. We the poor. Ye bona ye heli asem na ye kan amomu so as I say that's how it is. There are some people we are rich, they are killers in this country but ye heli omu because of kakra ebia ye benye and not because of some influential team here but you have to know say every rich man always we are say he doesn't want you to be like him.
Okay.
There is I'm telling you, me that's what my godfather told me. Or see there is no rich man. Always she say you will be like me. Say because say if you are like me no one ebe ye got ebe kutu one ebe heli me. Me ya there. Say also Oscar me ya obeye. But say who ni bi na me ma kakra. You start to worship me. And that is the pride of a rich man. And you don't think say na obianya ska. Now that's one of the reasons why some motivational speakers me person met you because me life and nyama me hunu can motivate me a lot. That's enough motivation for me. Say hey bia obi me who rich man bina ana me who people be idea from nowhere now they start living big and or my year hard work enye ska. Oh say in our various jurisdictions and our villages be obetimi can say yes oh woman we na omufie na hwe ni o ba he was able to watch Nissan we akọ university wa be doctor sisia wa talker ama we that is a motivation enough as a responsible reasonable person who say thing na no you don't need no motivation. Sometimes a comma a bed do cry motivation enough to work hard to get whatever you want.
Exactly.
Because rich men now more no, they will not tell you the secret to their what ba omo ba na be kan tra no me ye dem no mu ko
na me ye adwuma
na me ye say but now yes they do a lot of things behind the doors. It's ube yes say 10 years now you are so at where you are.
And so be hu nipa no e bia e cars ya nka wo ton bia nka benye ska no so ton cars ya
na odom so what you say it mean those things no and no cry just by the way it is say e ba no say they are rich men e ba no say they are influential people e ba no say amafo bi ma eyi omunim yedru omudem yedru ana omunim yedru behind all this thing. Trust me, everywhere will be compromised. And this is not the first time.
Hey, oh my Ghana.
Everywhere will be compromised. And Ghana, uko Nigeria, African, the Africa, Gaza, that's what it is. Africa, who was scar, forget a lot of things you can do. Africa, who was scar, things, everything is possible. Africa, who was scar, you are above the law. That's how it is. And say, if there is an influential person, we are digesting this issue. We are talking about it because a war of law and an issue be ambaye and we are talking about it. But we got you when you can say in communication, we have something like agenda setting. Okay. Let me tell you right now. Say if there are rich people behind this, they can set another agenda. Now by the end of the day, a big issue will come out.
Okay, now it's a big
issue come out and now you will pay attention to it. Now we article. And by the time you realize, within 3 months, 4 months, you will forgo and forget about this issue. Politics, that's the hammer. Politics, Emma State, because politics a agenda setting. So if you can't set an agenda, forget. You can't be a politician. You can. The person will be lying on himself. You all can a lie, but he is forcing it on your throat to believe it. And let me tell you. A lie repeated 3 times, you will start to believe it. Yeniha, now you see Jane, only a girl with Buachi or whatever, Nibano, Yonu, Nibano, Nise, Nibano, not Papano. By the end of the day, Ebem say, a Yonu, Krana, Oni Nuba, and some people were paid, and a Nipano. If you ask Shazega will say yes.
Sure.
Oh yeah. Oh say we believe that Papano.
Sure.
Even Omo NDC craponu, something to believe it. Ninya agenda setting. And if you know all those things, and so politicians omo nkun ewo omo way because obia try say obe set agenda. So if they buy into yours now we di kunim. That's how the world is. That is the order of the world. It is a way, or say there is no incidents and people are concentrating on this issue. The media is on this issue. On setting an agenda. And then you forget about this. Next time if we come, you babe kasa about this.
There be and kasa be.
So what you say? You babe kasa about the recent story. Everybody because we want to be trendy. We want to talk about trendy issues. So that's how the thing is. And it is if influential people woman. Trust me, miniaba. Minu yebe kasa engosi whatever they will do, incriminate you whatever they will do, ebe you you omoto, and people's eyes, ni ears will not be on them. No, they will do it. That's Africa for you. And see, and say we will pray.
Sure.
Say by the end of the day, justice. We more village. Yeah, postpone the issue on the crowd. Sometimes I bet you sometimes even lorry fair. From one to Accra, Pono. You know, and I want by Amber witness case. Now, be a lawyer who charge you. Uniska. How will you follow this case? Of Uncle dear, what did the woman say? Uniska. It is as on the banner war, and the Germaninka. Say, say your committee crime no, ni mami wo ska, and I kasa yes speech.
Sure.
By the end of the day, issue no gabo family ni ba na ye ma we 200 million, 300 million. Don't you think that they will release the guy?
I know there, sharp.
That's what it is. Amafo bi mu e wo prison. All in the name say omu niska on betua. amafo bi wo prison on the name say omu ni lawyers sika on betua lawyers amafo bi wo prison enye omu fault o but just say they don't have the money or someone to speak for them or to pay for them enti na omu wo eti ubehu sikeni bi ba obetumi akumobi by the end of the day he will be out on your guilty that and then when he come to this star I mean kai time I your SHSM na you paying for guy bi na wo scapa ni papa mu wo ska and other guys ni papa wo ska ba onye we other one no influencer na wo SHSM na kwa say confuse bi say girl into you na omukun ye and a guy ni di sikan say stone a ball we anything you didn't call hospital ni at least like 2 months and a guy no through that incident na guy no wo ye omudi case the court say we wo ska we su yi and by the end of the day no guy na you say boy no a man no wa yes na o see yemfa we ni tum me see within 2 years na you say guy na ba and a man is say hey me you can't kill my son now also wa walk free share and born it too
really
or no so come no flat
hey so na you e court
come no flat here or no so yet as e be chi no di call we ba satana mi share that nyi issue I didn't follow up
that
to
much.
They see and when it happened that way no this is what say bia we yes akokwasa nyana ye yi na efrim na ebia ye hunu e wo baabi na we mo so wodi ni bi wo omofia trust me obe take the loss into his own hand
of course
so say kaswa dia no so man kai o si omoye issue ni say obe take loss no into ni owner and ebia guy we obe won say why are the burning na ebia omba e mama ne hunu ba man no nim say yeah ni mama mu ni sisters obetimi akomo mu one by one ni nyina so as I say
so mu nyina no dey at
yes it's a balance because the law fails us no until now we are taking all those things to our own hands and when it happen that way a very disaster and say you can't get justice so you have to take the law into your own hands
sure you kill me I kill you
yes so whatever it is no I think say guys no they need justice say nya we kra na ekumomu a they should look for those who are involved or no or partner omu to perpetrate that crime no omu chi omu so that at least and say inkola no meba back but it will serve yes
sure
we be emma parents no
sure me da se be J Brown offer the J Brown ken na wo sisu se mpanifo e de omo yi a kire se sika mpokra na wo betimi etuatua ama wo mu dimpo a ema abonten no usu se sa na ema yekoso yi ebi mu kire se end time do you agree with those people
I say J Brown Canada I say it to me is see because edum rebi a yesi uni sika wasem omobo and we sika so wasem so sanity because you say Ghana ha ye wo no obi wo ha o sika a obetumi akoye niam bi a hwe yenye ne hwe
okay
but ma ohia ni bi enkoye saade na sika ne koye ye pota na hwe kwaya ye de no ebefa so e sika le kasa because wasem kura ko court sisia na kobra lawyer ne ade lawyer si kura no bia ne de waje so ana aban lawyer so be defend wa enti se wa obinya o private lawyer
okay
ufi se oye good
okay
enti sika fo no e de o mu sika no tiatia ehia fo no eso ana at the same time o mu de ebu o man no so emra wo o man no mu no eso
okay
because sikani emra endi no but we hia ni a emra edu enti no ekoye sa na ohiani no nso no ebi ono so owo de obetumi aya odi betumi defend no eno ti sa wo di usika ebesisi na ono so bia o ba bia ono so benya dudu ono so be ko dudu so no ono so dudu so de bia sika odi be ko no obenya ono so be ko dudu so wo attack no physically no ono so benya spiritually so ni nyina isi wo man mu a emfa asumdue eni ade emma oman ni mu because yenim obi a obi aye ne bibia onim se oni sika odi be di akire enti no odi nipa be kwa duro so se bia yenkum na asefo
nipa bi ono no so di aduro bia
se aduro no ebi chebi
okay da dey me twa da dey
na one thing so yeah shell because guy be fraudi me and na me guy be yeah me yi say ono onim ba bi a ye betimi di guy ni ko na ye be yi enti one day bi na ga say ye ko ye no ye see guy no wa protecting him a protecting ba unim dia woman man ka je o si ni ma wo
okay
enti say me team ye din a say me ka je guy ni say go ahead ne kum ni ma no ba me see me ni guy no the war issue we any issue so that is it is an it here
enti eno de akua wo say justice anya adwuma edi sutuaso boni bebre ana ba oman mu because obi wo ha uwia na de o ma police for abeche obi won so uwia na de a o ma police for nchewo but wo kwaya ono be fa so ape on say ye hwe praman young lady na uwia no
pina man yeah Leticia
omuko sie so hu de omu eye
no cry
because oma hu se de adro no omu nya hodi ya omu se emra no omu di akira a
enkosi aga omu de hye nso asem
omu de hye nso awu ana omu atwan a omu hunu de ade no eko o se body no omu ansie ne ntam body no da ho a nti omu hwa de omu ni ede omu ni to so se bia nko omu hunu nipa
just is no I'm in favor of
omu trans ya omu ehunu enen so wasem ko court na wasem ko police station a nye police ni na be di akwanya ba nipa na be di akwanya ba onye ote ho kobra ni nyina nso eyesika
sai de no so one man is car
ono so on follow case no
on koso
erade mo ayen
so enu ti no bibia ayesika nti wanhwe ya ekoyesa na bedroom re bia said the lady no omukosi omude nseka ni ade ka
kosia ne snap ne nyama nyina
ono so de na ho ade betumi aye obetumi aye no eno na oye ye wo obi wo nso a wukum ni bibia ono so nim se ono so enni ayi a odi be di case na chi ni ade ono so betumi atetew obekum bi obetetew obekum ubi ana so obekum ubi bibi ono so de na ho ade betumi aye no yo be ya ne bu bedwo no eno na waye bia ono time bia ono be na dwese obekum wo na do bekum ubi no wa ya wonti hunu no na wache no so ono kra ne betimi a prepare se bia me di boni we a me dwane akwasha ha na me di boni we a me yesei ba ni nyina no emfa enema papa emma enu nti na tam bia ye prese oman no atemu no ebetumi agyina ne naso senia ese na CID fo ante ensema ye de kokoto ni nyina no ne dodo na agyina CID investigation a wo mu ebeye enu na judge ni begyina so atumi abua asem no ensem bi ho a ebi ho aya na ye blemu judges no eni ade so agyina bibi so na kasa enti se CID fo na ntumi an investigation ni yie ama judges no ntumi anya nyina so a wo mbetumi agyina so dia judge case na do obeya ne se ehwehwemu na aba no ontumi nyina so no asama remand still ehwehwemu enkoso se je beya betumi aye na edisa na ensem no eche because obi wo ho asa bia ye kasa yi obi wo ha na sem ewo court a kobra ya remand na edibe 1 year 2 years a 5 months 3 months 2 months a asem no yemu aye enti wa hwe ya ono no yes kura obetwa ansan de bia case de ye be koso kura ya sa sentence no
isi o
enya agoro ba se wo sika wo di be famu se yen ka wasem ma wa asem no ba ye be gina so a because ya di na o investigation no wo be mani sika wo be hwe so aye adwuma no sanya eti so no sa ne ko duru judge na ni ma judge ni be hunu de obeka case no etu betwa ma se wudi bi ma wa hunu se wudi fon so wa hunu se me punishment enwie na wa start etwa because omu ewo cells ni prisoner se la yendi omu asem no omu ni hope
okay
so say yedi wasem na say ya more sentence be at 3 years 4 years who hope say 4 years time we be back out say ada say in twato so ni twato wo so say ada say ya asem no wa na wo ye na bia mistake bi na ma wo ye say say wa say da na wa ye any ade nyina no so unim say yedi wasem 2 years 3 years ana wo kotwa who hope say oh by how means 3 years time maybe fie 2 years time maybe fie say asem kwa na ye twato me so kra say dey tie bia no me 1 year dia ma me no betwa na maybe fie ba say ensem no kona court no ntimi enka ho hwe ya na udem remand 1 year 2 years ni ade a hope be na wo ni hope bia because justice no wa nhunu justice no nhunu de efa enunti no ade a sa niema ya na yansi adifo no ana ye besere se wo mu ansem no ewo wo mu ensem no ye sere wo mu se ya wo mu enhwe se de be ya wo metuma ye hwehwemu no ama wo manya asem papa de akwato judge no
enim medasi
na judges nso atumi atuhu anamo na atumi aboa
medasi ofa ye di ensem no ye keka kwa wi ye ne yemfa we emefa mu kam yakwa se na wudie ne doso ye nheda ye ne kataso momu aso no kopie mu asen breku nso a abranti a ono nso nya mfirihia eye aduonu nso ya 27 bia na aposifo akokɔkye no esa ne se wanya wɔn ensi skeleton enipa akwa nipa no mpe enipa niema na kyese won ho a kyerɛ sɛ ɛno nam so no assemblyman so a wɔno so wɔ hɔ so a wɔno so kyerɛ mu sɛ he is mentally impaired timamfo de wɔn abo ne yie de wei ɛkɔso na nsi ya esi ya nsɛm yɛ no guso a yɛ kan enipa skeleton enipa tiri kwankura ne nipa akwa niema egu ne dan mu ma aposifo akɔkye no wɔno so 27 years ewo asin breku we si wo hey na se we so si wo ha na se ne ye ka se bia nipa ni timi bi firi ha ko ha na se wo mo
yes one say na me ka se sa de we ya de a e koso bibiri so na se u betu ase a ni nyina ne se de ya chi apie ye be se ne ye be ya obekasa na wabobodin o se na me ka se e bia apia ni adwuma a wo ye nyaje se wono kwa na ye woni nipa bebre na eye ba se wa mubodin na se ye ko jeli ono kwa a wo ma ka no wo muguso ye enyaje a obehu wo mo wo muguso eye tel se bia wo mo so nyankopon be yi wo mo so to ama wahu eno nti nia yakwache na enipa ho akwa egu ne demu yi sanete because edum na bia omu ede ye eniema no nim se me sure se bia ebi pe dry ones no and ebi nso pe fresh one because and ebi nso pe fresh one
ebi pe chin
yes because on say ye hwe enuru amanfo egigi ene ade na eduro bia wo be wadwe se wo pe no eno ne eniema malamfo ne omu yes enu no ebe tse se fabra ana ye hwe ade a obekwa akɔpɛ a ebi a malam no ebe demand se bia ope nipa ho bibi no eya ade a utimu se emu edu pa ada se bia sikaduro kese bia wo pɛ ana se bia ebi a opese won fanye bibi kese bi emma wa esonbo pa ana be malam na tumi demand
se ope nipa akwa
bibi ebra enu ntina na no aye councilor J Brown ka se nipa ho niema bo edin eye no kure ne bo edin because enipa esombo enipa ya ade a yehunu se wakum nipa enya ade a yebegyaw enu nti enya ade se ade a ususu se wo de ade na wo de kwaye no eye ade esombo pa ma wo a enya ade a o be ko bi e be ka say fa nipa ho bibi bra o be wa gese o kopa aba because ninya edin kura ne chiwa wanya asem so no but omu a ewo omu dem a se wakoto se wokase yakoto se ebi nka se egu obi dem ene ade omu nim ne omu nya free mu ana nipa nso ekoto because ukoma na bi ho se wokoje aduro bi a na o se fa nipa ho akwa abra na o se unya bi unim be bia obenya bi ono abetimi amount number se bi a frasmesi ana se bi a fesika bra me frɛ asemasi menya obi a menya saaje ni bi e wɔ ne ho because onim se bi a na obeso na hwɛ na bi a odaleti nipa na nipa no ho akyerɛ no wet maka se bi a fa se bra menya ade ni bi wɔ nipa no ho because ye tina na no ye kana me ka se omu edimande saade no omu nso eyade se ye hwehwɛ omu akyira kwa ne ye kye wo mo because omu bebre ne nim nkrofo a omu tonton sa anya ma because ekoba sa bi kura wo a wo kope sa aduro no unim nipa no but obeka tell say first ka say bra na menya bia ma no no ni nipa no adili so odi nipa no adili a ewo one ne mie no nko antem ebete na wo hu edi say ye chi sa wo mu a omu edi animu edimande ma sa kwankyere na ye chi wo mu na so obey na bi say obekere no bo so obetima kire nipa sa ade no ewo omu ho nkrofo omu tonton sa niema no because omu nim sa nkrofo no o se ukọ we baabi a omu tonton moa ho niema ene moa sekelete kotre a yaho wowo a yaho wowo dry wowo ne sa niema ni no ukọ malam bi ho na se malam ni demand se kofa sa ade no bra ono abekere wo baabi a ye ton no se sa niema ne de unim se obi ton a enye smuggle
okay
enti wo be ka se bia o unim bia bia benya bi obekere se kwa ha jasper na ba okwa afre wo fra obedare wo benya bi woni ho enti san krofo na omu so e dangerous because omu an eka hu bi na ma san krofo no edi bone no sesi a obi a oton no o short sesi a na bia malam bi epe bi no frɛ nipa no sɛ ope bia na ade na short a obey den woton niema na ade na short the demand eba ede na obey so boka kopa niema ni bi aba na supply
of course
so enti omu demand na sɛ ade ni bi ni ho a eno ane sɛ ono so ebe organize na omu supply no
omu de bi aba
omu tuja ade nso short a ne bo eye
dene
so enu nti omu na ye nkrofo ese sɛ ye hwehwɛ wo mu na ye chi wo mu nti na last kaswa nkola issue na ba ya na beginning no I don't know other say na true a no omu ka se nkola no ye chi nkola no mu mention say konfo bi asesan na omu hwe the program na omu frɛ ya konfo ne say omu fa we say ni so nti ebia konfo no anka se ope ade a omu pa no enipa na wo pa e man kola na dwene mu se omu kokum nipa konfo no ka se bia ope akokọ a ka akokọ no mbekọ
akokọ chire
o ka se ope odwan ne bi o mbekọ akopẹ akun but o ka se enipa ni nti no o mu se omu afa kwan bia so a omu be fa omu betumi anya nipa no akọ ana enokore nso omu etimi ye dwo mbe ye bia anya enipa no so nti most of times no san krofo no so ye nkrofo bi a omu hu ehu esese omu nyina yetumi investigation na ye tu omu ase na minim se yenya chi enipa se na se base investigation no ekoso pa ebe hunu de appearance oton nyema no ma na ye hunu nia the last person ohia nia ye hunu last person o demand say enipa no emfa wei emra ehia ehunu ne sa ebetumi aboa
medasi je brown me dey ba so na wo dey wie no ye hwe ne say yo say ohene say 28 years wabodam ya ba sen so a assembly member so ono so ho say 27 years ono so abodam ade enkwansam no
we can na before no ye na meji wo fa there na
very well
happy was assembly ko o say unfortunately say youth at 27 28 we are involving ourselves in this thing say spirit and love for money and say because I don't understand why nipa timi edin to say obekwa akokum obi and say yakum obi krapo na yesie na akoyi ye kan say
nipa ni
dompe na odi koye den senya business aya enye sikape what are you going to use that money for that bones and that body
skeleton no
and what I was saying is unfortunate but say na we mu police for no say they are going to look into it no finding how the guy have had the bones I think say that's the right or the way forward but why is it say about say na nipa no akoye this kind of thing now obi about because say ni timu kikano and now what adibia omodi na they should take out the substantive issue on the case and answer then
nipa dey
omo sheda and omodi yes and say what is the main reason why omodi yes dey onim good say enye court and enye police for and coming to that conclusion say niti ye ni ya and say ni because it's only court and I bet me order say since the way our kasa the way our here asema no enye good and the fan ko psychiatric hospital na ye share ni team na ye hu what is going wrong with him but so far no speculations amafo bi ma omo no mo ka omo adwen it is let's wait ye prosecute omo na ye di omo ko court they will know say we omo adwen kind of there sad there na say omo adwen na enyo because sometimes people only say as human beings ye wa amafo bi who are gullible because people I don't think say obi awo you can say and I say we are okay you not involve yourself in this say yes spirit so it ye cancel na oyare believe in me about 60% will believe that because adiwe the omu ye no enye uye pepepe it will be difficult for you to do that so it ye ban say now they are throwing all dust into the air na ye ka na adwin ye na say ni but still people are saying say wa adwin ye na wakumobi a yemfa ni say police for no ni wave so almost o ma adwin ye na ye fa ukọ na ye nkun obi
sir
because we all understand say he who lives by the sword must die by the sword. It is a who say wa adwin ye na amafo so say wa adwin ye they should treat you as a criminal.
Sure
because we can't be saying this or doing this na we are committee crime na you see na adwin ye next time so obi koye and me so me koye I will have people to come and say na ma adwin ye so that's it because obi a onam Ghana ha bia metumi aka say 90-something% ye nyina ya adwin ye because a hotness ni we are see no
we all create
we dey create and this is sadia ye nyina ye die ngun na ye kokum ye ho a the only thing na e better as ye nyina say ya din ye and they should be careful with niama bia unya doctor o fa nipa na anko hospital na ye checki na ye hu say nipa no na adwin ye na you will be coming out to throw all this dust into our eyes. They should be very careful.
Thank you.
But it's good, say.
For residents, no.
Yeah. Sometimes, you see, those things uchi obi ye bunu ni ama enye. But sometimes, yeah.
We use no free.
Sometimes, yeah. Because say ye kum na ebia say ye kum na or your partners bia oni omu yes ni ama na we no know. But when kunusu na ye this kokwasa on and off ni nyama no hi say the American what is it no matter what no we say kudos to police for now we handle abesem another case no I think say they've made a progress and you can say new IGP
Dampare
also say or
it's really working.
You should continue.
Sure.
No Ejima for the betterment of this country.
Thank you. Ofa, what the last words baby hona ya sorry sir.
Okay, nya me kan say on say do radio we betimi I can say but boni we nipa we akodi de na dwene da ho a nka onye sa na ya fa na say o na dwene enye but enje sa na eti obi wo ho a ejanyema bebre so obi wo ho a enuboni bi a wakodi so na adane sunsuaso ewo no so ono ane de ne ho akohyem so obi wo so a wakoye mehu sana minsi emputu
wakoji eduro anase
obi a wakoji eduro wakoji eduro bi
ho sunsuaso nso
wakoji nuboni bi e de abehye ne demo ne ade na sa de no hante no na ko de yes ankwase ade akua wo de se bodam ni bi etatawa na da bia oba na wa ye no te o fa bo ato abo o de aba ebo wa da ko mon chi bodam ni no hwe no
o ma ho biem
na
nyansa na ababa fie
na ni ebeda ho wa boda na won fa ne se ko hyegim so enu ti no
na ye na won abodan fo kro mo twa kwan mu asebe wo hye aye na bibisa se anu de ya o mo da mana
sanete so enu ti no bebre wo ho a omu ya fa ne se o ma dwenye no ma take sa advantage no anu mo de ye nkwase ade ye niema eni mfaso niema ehun ehia wo ka wase o ye ka wo so wa bodam munya no but eduru bi a de wa bodam no wo tene na etumi tene
anokre
eduru na bi a okoya ade bi na mo chi no hwe no panishe na bon se echena onye sa ade ni bi but oye obana mu dwane obana mu na
mo soso no so
na mo soso no so so enunti no this is the way say no mo se na dwene nye enti yenya no ana yenya ne dai
nyanse aposifo nso aso no nso mu na wo mtimamufo de wo mo hwe ni pa ye pa ne wo mo de nkontini metals ne ade wo mo bro no ansa na aposifo nso eno so wo mo ema bekumfo de
sa nyema so enu ya one of a year omufa so de brabra
nsem se na mu de kankan
but say asem asigana na wo so we NPP ni we NDC ni we NPP ni we NDC ni ya de sa na wonya kwa afem na enu nti no ye sure say na dwene nya kura na wo mu a woni wo mu edi sa bone no obetima bo o mu
thank you
obetima bo o mu di because abesim di ye chill no beginning no e dey no behave no mo so why say mu
ai on kasa
later ansa na CID for na eya o mu intelligence o mu woni ade o mu ye ya o kasa ya o kwachire ba bia o di intestines
ekoguo
ene ade ndi bi o ha nipa no sheda e behave bibi say obi anadwene mu enye ube business kwa no o ka rontin di say wo ba gie di say anadwene enya ampa enso na adwene ye boni a wadi no eno no pese o mra bra so
ha abusia ya tena ensem we so na ne yie mu na ye pe enti na no ye bia mu ye pa ama ye nsuso atimi ato ye wo so agye nkyere no de ho hia yen eni ti bombone na oman money so ya tena de bombone na efa wo nsuso wo de ebeto dwa efa eman mechia adofo a ehye ye enyina da na mede mu sinso de na mame enka mu sedwumaku enso ya se nyina nso no momoden se wo de ewo mo na se hia wo so a bombone na efa aye woni telephone number eguase na efre wo mo sanse wo mo edi dwuma papa wo hwe adabof wo di dwuma wo hwe elian wo mo so wo mo di dwuma ye pa sanso so na aye too much GH college wo mo so ebo dwuma papa Oman Channel Foundation wo mo ene so yanse wo hwe sunsun Daniel Awokumase sanso so na Ejapia Herbal Center wo mo so ewo eye Ablekuma NIC ene wo mo keka ho nyina no wo mo telephone number egu ase mama fasi da PSC enfama wa waje bre ehwe me makrawo cho mama me banku me pe akpele no miensa me pe three for why
sister me see oba dey prepare bian no yan so bo why
na me pede me did you so many break
me dey break ana we obi kun aduan no ho
the ban aba fresh bia ene obi an touch me say onni baby papa a obedidi a ene me say bra aba fresh bian papa fie one more fufuo akpele ɛne ɛyɛ fetiri de chi wobɛnya ne do so etimi bra aba fresh ɛwɔ Kingsby Junction ɛwɔ Achimota menua wobɛnya aduane papa adi aba fresh ana
Always
fresh